Prepare a stand mixer and measure the flour. Approximately 250 grams of flour. To this, we are gonna add some instant yeast. As well as some sugar to boost the process. And after that, we're gonna start the stand mixer at a slow speed and then later on increase the speed. To this, we are gonna add 3 whole eggs and add one at a time. Mix all the ingredients until it all comes together and add a pinch of salt. Knead it for 5 minutes. To this, we are gonna add softened butter and make sure you're gonna add 1 tablespoon at a time. After that, we're gonna take it out and knead it by hands. Put some flour on the surface so the brioche doesn't stick to the base. And try kneading it for more than 5 minutes and you will see how when it's done. To this, we're gonna add some thyme. You can also add some herb if you want. You can also add some cheese if you desire, it's totally optional. And after that, we're gonna just fold it in and make the dough once again and let it proof. Cover it with cling film and let it rest overnight in the fridge. After that, take it out and press the dough down so it shrinks back to its size. Flour the surface. After that, we're gonna divide the dough in 3 equal portions, approximately 180 grams each. And after that, we're gonna shape the brioche. And put it in a baking tray or any kind of baking sort of material you have and let it proof for 2 hours. And after it's proofed, we can make an egg wash with 1 egg, add some milk or water, it's totally up to you. And we're gonna whisk it and brush the brioche with it. And be generous with the egg wash because it helps to give it a good color for the brioche. And we're gonna bake for 30 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius until it's done. And let's see how does it look.